What's up guys, Random Razor here with another tech video to share with you guys today. And today we are going to check out OtterBox's Commuter series case with a brand new iPhone 17, 17 Pro, and 17 Air. The Commuter case, my favorite model from the entire lineup of OtterBox. Let's check it out. Looks like OtterBox is trying out some new recyclable, environmentally friendly packaging now. And it looks like it just opens up from the top or bottom. So we're just gonna have to peel it off. And the first and only thing that we have here is the Commuter case. And that's it. So here is the Commuter case for the 17 lineup. I'm glad OtterBox has kept to its roots with the Commuter case. It's a two-piece style design, an outer polycarbonate shell, as well as an inner rubber liner. Now I've always been a big fan of the Commuter case design. I like how the phone is wrapped in this very soft rubber material, acts as a shock absorber, a cushion, protects the finish of your iPhone, and then you got the polycarbonate plastic part here that kind of holds everything together, gives it structure and a very nice look. So we will grab my iPhone 17 Pro Max here. We'll put the rubber piece on first. And then we'll grab the plastic shell and we'll put the bottom side first, line it up with the cover, and it just kind of slides into place. All right, taking a quick overview of this case, starting off with the top here, we have an excellent amount of bezel protection that wraps around the entire border of the iPhone with that rubber piece. I also like how it is compatible with my tempered glass screen protector, which is also a nice bonus. On the sides here, we do have covers for the volume buttons, the smart button, the power button, and new for this year, they got a very nice cover for the camera button as well. I know last year they had just a single large cutout on a lot of their cases, which didn't look very nice, and of course it didn't protect that part of the iPhone, but I'm glad OtterBox has finally found a way to cover and protect that camera button while still keeping its functionality. On the bottom part of the case here, we do have two cutouts for the stereo speakers and mic, and one of my favorite features of the Commuter case ever since the iPhone 3G, and that is a built-in cover for the USB-C port. Lastly, on the back side here, we do have the OtterBox logo engraved on the bottom. The entire back has a very nice matte finish on it. A single large cutout here for the camera lens module. It is compatible with my camera lens protector that I have on it, and there's also this big plastic border around it too for added protection. And I almost forgot, the Commuter case is MagSafe compatible, so here is a MagSafe battery charger from Apple. As you guys can see here, sticks without any issues, and it should be charging my iPhone right now. So overall guys, I gotta say, I'm really liking the Commuter case for the 17 lineup. OtterBox has pretty much kept to their roots with the Commuter case. They haven't really changed the overall theme or design of it. I'm really happy once again that they did find a way to protect that camera button now and make it still fully functional. But otherwise, the Commuter case is a classic case. And again, I'm really happy that OtterBox has kept that overall design theme and design of the Commuter case. Protection wise, it's kind of like a bridge between the Symmetry case, which is more of the slimmer style case that OtterBox offers, and the Defender case, which is like a really thick draw protective case. So the Commuter case balances out pretty nicely with enhanced protection like the Defender case, but not in a very thick design like the Symmetry case. One of the other major points that I like about the Commuter case is because your phone is wrapped in that rubber, it also acts as like a gasket. So not only it protects your iPhone from drops, but also helps seal your case from dirt, dust, and debris from getting in between your phone and your case, which can actually potentially scratch or damage the finish of your iPhone. So because you have that rubber wrapping around the iPhone and the plastic shell that holds it all together, it keeps it in a much more sealed design. In terms of any cons or things I don't like about the Commuter case, the only thing I can mention is because there's no plastic portion that holds this part of the rubber in place, same thing on the other side here. This part of the case does flex out quite a bit easily. So it would have been nice if OtterBox could maybe put one plastic piece that sticks up here and maybe another one up here or right here, or even in between there if they could fit one in. Probably not, it's too skinny. But something that provides a little bit more structure on this part of the case, because this part here where the plastic holds everything together, no problem. It doesn't stick out, but this part does. So it's not a huge deal, but it would be nice if there's a little bit more structure around this part of the case. In conclusion, guys, if you're looking for the best all-around drop protective case without going all out on a Defender case from OtterBox, you definitely can't go wrong with the OtterBox Commuter case. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Any questions or comments about the OtterBox Commuter case, let me know in the comment section there down below. Hit that like button, as always helps me out, and I'll see you all in the next video.